Welcome to Cashbag Online, where money speaks. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, making money online has become more accessible than ever. Digital marketing stands at the forefront of this opportunity, offering a myriad of avenues for individuals looking to monetize their skills and creativity. The first step toward success in digital marketing is understanding its core components, including search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, content creation, and email marketing. Each element plays a crucial role in driving traffic and converting visitors into customers. By grasping these fundamentals, you can tailor your approach to suit your unique strengths and interests. One of the most lucrative online opportunities in digital marketing is affiliate marketing. This process involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. Imagine crafting engaging content, be it a blog post or a social media update, that seamlessly integrates affiliate links, allowing you to earn money while providing value to your audience. Another key strategy is to establish a personal brand. By sharing your expertise and insights, you can attract followers who trust your recommendations. Building a strong online presence through platforms like Instagram or LinkedIn opens doors to collaborations and sponsorships. Visualize curating stunning visuals or crafting compelling narratives that resonate with your audience, ultimately leading to paid partnerships. Additionally, creating and selling digital products offers an excellent way to generate income. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or graphic design templates, digital products require an initial investment of time, but can yield passive income over time. Consider the satisfaction of sharing your knowledge while simultaneously earning money with every sale. Email marketing should not be overlooked either. Building an email list allows you to connect directly with your audience, promoting products or services that resonate with them. Picture sending out engaging newsletters filled with valuable content, nurturing relationships that ultimately lead to conversions. Success in digital marketing requires persistence and adaptability. The landscape continually shifts with trends and consumer behavior. Stay informed, embrace new technologies, and refine your strategies as needed. Visualize yourself staying ahead of the curve, adjusting your approach to capture emerging opportunities. In conclusion, making money online through digital marketing is not just a dream, it's a tangible reality. By leveraging your skills, embracing creativity, and fostering connections, you can unlock the potential of online income. Dive in, explore the possibilities, and watch your efforts transform into profit.